Hello and welcome to my channel. This is Andreas, and in this video I will show you how you can create a discount coupon on WooCommerce. Okay, and if you stay until the end of this video, I will show you how you can get this WordPress digital store you see here, which is preloaded with 265 ebooks, and you can get it and install it on your own hosting, your own domain name, and sell the digital products, the ebooks, and keep 100% of the profits for yourself. Okay, let's start with the tutorial. I have to go on the dashboard, and here I have to scroll down and find the marketing. Here it is, and click on coupons. Here I have just one coupon created. I'm hiding it so it can't be used from somebody who is watching this video right now, but I will show you how to create a new one. So we have to go here and click add coupon, and here we start with a name in the coupon. Let's say we want to name it 50 off. Okay, if we want to give, let's say, 50% discount, and this is the code you have to give to your customers. They will use this code to get the discount. Then we're on the general here, and you can choose the type of the discount you want to give. There are two types. There is the percentage discount, which can be 10%, 20%, 50%, 90% discount on the entire price of the checkout of the cart. Or we can give a fixed cart discount. It can be just $10 off, or whatever is your currency, 10 off, 20 off, 50 off, but this is a fixed. Okay, this is the difference, percentage and the fixed cart discount. And there is one more type of discount, which is the fixed product discount. Actually, there are three types of discount. On this fixed product discount, this will apply to specific products. So if, for example, you have three products, three t-shirts, and each one costs $30, and you want to give 10, let's say here you choose 10, this will apply to each product. So if you have three t-shirts and $30 cost each t-shirt, and you put 10 here, it will minus 10 of each product. So in total, you will give $30 discount, okay? Because it applies on every product you have on your cart. All right, let's choose the percentage discount, and we want to give 50% discount. Here you can choose the expiration date. If you want this coupon to be for a specific days only, and you want it to expire at one point, then you have to choose here when it will expire. Okay, it's very easy to choose this, but if you want to not expire and can be used anytime, just leave this empty. Next, go to usage restriction. Here there is the minimum spend. What does it mean? That if, for example, you want your customer to spend at least $50 so this coupon code can apply, you put here 50. And if somebody has $40 on or $49 on the cart, this coupon will not apply. It will apply only if it's at least 50 or more. Then there is the maximum spend. So, for example, you don't want someone to spend $100 and get this coupon. You want someone to spend only $80. So you put this 80 here, and then if someone has on the cart more than 80, this coupon will not apply. Maybe you have another coupon for this amount. Okay, you can have different coupons, and each one can apply on specific limits, maximum and minimum. Then we have the individual use only. So if you want this coupon to not be used and be valid when somebody use another coupon, because maybe you can have a general coupon for everybody, let's say 10%, and then you want to give a specific discount, 50% to some specific clients. So you don't want them to use both of them and have 50 plus 10, 60% discount, okay? And if you want this coupon to not be able to use with other coupons, you click this. Otherwise, if you don't have problem, you leave this unticked. Also, here, exclude sale items. It says here, check this box if the coupon should not apply to items on sale. For example, if you already have a discount on some items, these items will not be qualified for this coupon. Okay, it will exclude these products that are on sale. Then you can choose here specific products. You can, if you know the title, you can write like ebook, and it will find. Let's say you want this coupon to be used only on this product. So then you do this. If you want to be used on any product, you leave this empty. You can click the X here and remove it. Okay. Here you can exclude products. For example, if you want this coupon to be used on every product except 1, 2, 3, 4 products, then you do the same here and you choose the products you want to exclude from this coupon. Also, product categories. If you want specific categories to apply this coupon, you choose them here. Or if you want specific categories to not apply, then you choose here on exclude categories. Okay? And here it says allowed emails. That means that if you want only specific email accounts to use this coupon, you can add them here. It can be a specific email address, or if you click here and you put the asterisk and then you put Gmail, for example, .com, then all the emails that are from Gmail created can be used and they will be eligible to use this discount coupon. All the rest of the emails will not be eligible. Okay? If you want a specific email address, you can use a specific email address. Otherwise, if you want everybody to use it, you leave it empty. Then we go to the usage limits. And here, for example, you decide how many times this coupon can be used. If you want this coupon to be used, like let's say 5 times, you put here the number 5. And when this coupon will be used 5 times, then it will expire and not be valid anymore. But if you want to use it unlimited times, so you have the control to delete it and remove it anytime, you just leave this empty, unlimited usage. Okay, then limit usage to X items. For example, if you want this coupon to be used only when somebody has only up to 3 items on the cart, you put the number 3. So if somebody has 4 items on the cart, will not use this discount coupon. Okay? And then the last one is usage limit per user. This is how many times a specific user can use this coupon. For example, if I am logged in to your site and I use my specific email that I have as a user on your site, the system can check and see that I am this specific user and how many times you allow me to use this coupon. Usually this is good to be 1, so it can be used 1 time each user. But that's up to you and depend the product you are selling, okay? But this is what it is, this field, the limit. And then let's say we create this coupon, which is 50%. You click publish, right? It says here coupon updated. So now this coupon is active. Let's go to the store now and use it to test it. Always test it. Go to the front end of the store. I will tell you how you can get this store for yourself. So we'll go to choose one product. This one, buy now. Then you go view cart. All right. Here there is a field that says coupon code. I just paste the code and click apply coupon. Okay, and as you can see here, the coupon has been applied, and now instead of $4.95, you can have the price of $2.48. All right. Now we'll go back to the coupons, and here you can see that we have the new coupon we have created, and you can see here how many times it has been used. It will show here now. We put it on the checkout, but we didn't complete the checkout, so actually the coupon has not really used, but it will show here and how many times remaining to be used. In this case we have choose the unlimited, but you will see here if you have choose a specific limit. Okay, then here you can edit if you want. You can click and edit. You can change the coupon code, you can change the discount or the type of the discount. You can delete it here if you click trash, or you can duplicate and create a similar coupon. That's all about the coupon. And now if you want to get, let's go to the home page. If you want to get this digital store, which comes preloaded with 265 ebooks that you can sell and keep 100% of the profits for yourself, then in the description below you can find a link so you can get more info and you can purchase this digital store for yourself. You can then install it on your own hosting, your own domain name. You can edit it, you can change images, you can change the prices, you can customize it, you can add more products, you can add more pages. Actually, you can edit and manage and customize the store because it will be yours. And if you find this video valuable, make sure to like it and subscribe to my channel so you can watch more videos about WordPress and make money online. I will see you in another video.